Hello guys. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is going to be about how to make money online as a student. So without wasting time, let's get right into the video. A student is a young person who has just begun to move away from his parents. When you feel a breath of adult life, you start to think about an apartment, a car and other pleasures. Not so much yet, but still disturbing thoughts about the future. Yes, and in the present I want to pamper myself and feel the joy of life. To always have several $100s or thousands in your pocket, you need to know how to make money on the internet as a student. This is the most modern approach that will provide you with a constant profit. We will show you all the working methods for making money. Why is it better for a student to make money on the internet? Why is it the only way for a student to earn money on the internet at home? The main problem of students is lack of time. If a student is studying full-time, then he cannot find a part-time job for more than 5 to 6 hours. Remote work is good because the employer evaluates not the person himself, but his abilities and capabilities. How many people worked, whether they completed the order, this is the key on the internet. Therefore, a student can even lie about his age and position. Not to mention the university, the student takes responsibility. Therefore, no matter where and how the student will spend his working time, he will have to work the allotted time and fulfill the terms of the contract with the employer. Just remember, making money on the internet for a student is the only way to get honest money for your work. How much can a student earn on the internet? A student will even be able to earn several $100,000 on the internet if he tries and works at full strength. That's the beauty of the internet. If you develop in your direction, then you can receive about $100,000 a month for 5 hours of work a day. Qualities you must have as a student to earn online. To do this, you need to take orders, improve your reputation, complete work on time and be friendly. Professionalism does not depend on the higher education received. It is only important to strive to understand your own business. The more practice a student has, the better he knows his specialty and work. High professionalism begins with the interest of the person himself. How can a student make money online, at home? As a student, you have many options for making money online. We have identified the most popular and highly paid ways. New views on work dictate new professions to us. Our recommendation is that students should avoid the typical working as a waiter in a hotel from 6 a.m. to 12 noon or working as a dishwasher in a nightclub for 6 hours each day after university. We will tell you how to really earn as a student on the internet. So don't forget to watch the video till end. Number 1. Tutoring. Tutoring is a great way to make money online. Previously, this work has faded into the background. When students stopped going to apartments and houses, and parents began to choose only professional teachers as tutors. Currently, the price for 1 hour of lessons with a teacher or teacher is very high. Therefore, the vacancy is again open to students who can handle online tools and conduct online classes. For tutoring, a student will only need an internet connection, a graphics tablet and an online whiteboard. You can find students at different sites. It is very easy for a student to make money on the internet with the help of tutoring. This does not require special knowledge. It is only necessary to explain the material in an accessible way and find an approach to each child. Number 2. Copywriting. You can earn as a student on the internet with the help of copywriting and rewriting. This work is suitable for students of humanitarian faculties, especially for journalism and philology. What is the job of a copywriter? He writes new articles for publication on the internet on the topic of the customer. These articles provide the site with content. With the help of articles, you can promote the site by relevance so that the link to it in the search engine is always at the top. This helps the site to attract more customers and earn on the provision of its services or on advertising. Customers are site developers, webmasters. Therefore, the copywriter needs to fulfill the exact order. Usually, the conditions of the application indicate the number of characters in the text, uniqueness, and the number of headings. Number 3. Gaming. Parents of students would never have been able to think that you can earn money on games, and good money. Grown-up children, who devoted half of their lives to games, can now earn from $5,000 or more. To do this, you just need to assemble a team of the same semi-professionals and participate in tournaments. If the team performs well, then a sponsor may be interested in it. Many students simply leave the university in such cases and choose professional esports as their job. If a student cannot devote more time to games, then he can earn things, find them on maps or change with someone. And then sell these things for big money. Thus, a student can earn several $1,000s a week. But for this you will have to try, and in the future make a choice between study and games. Number 4. Blogging, YouTube, TikTok. The student will be able to earn big money if he becomes a content maker or blogger. Nowadays, many young people make money from videos that try to entertain the public. These can be clips on Facebook, TikTok. You can record videos on YouTube with a review of movies, TV shows. Pro tip: educational content, where students share their knowledge, is poorly developed, so you can fill this niche. If you have a sense of humor, creativity and know how to handle the camera on your phone, then this is a great way to make money. There are many videos that teach beginners how to create content. Watch a few tutorials and learn about the stages of development of popular bloggers. Then you can find your own development path. If you are consistent, then definitely as a student, you can earn money on the internet using different ways. The main thing is to find a golden mean between study and work. I hope you guys like this video. Let us know in the comment below. Make sure to subscribe the channel for more interesting video. See you in the next video.